What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. We're actually working on the wide body M3. We're doing the rear end. The trunk needed a lot of work. Take the rear bumper off, put the PDC sensors in. They are wrapped, ready to go. There's a bunch of stuff we're gonna do. We did test the trim, glossy black. It looks really good compared to the chrome, so we're doing the chrome delete. This trunk needed a lot of work. Alright guys, we got the trunk primered, so we pretty much got all the scratches and bumps, all the dents, everything out, and we laid the first layer of wrap on the top. It's gonna be a two-piece. It's looking way better than that black trunk I had that was ugly. I can't wait till it's done because this trunk has been hideous in black. I don't know who in the right mind liked it, thought it was nice, but I hated it. I can't wait to show off this rear end as soon as I put the Liberty Walk flares on the bottom. Diffuser on there with the pinstripes, the Valvetronic exhaust, big wing. Purchased the car, these air ducts were in there. They're little vents, like scoops. When I got these, they were red. I do want them yellow so they can match the car. We gave it a couple coats already. We're just gonna do a few more coats just to make sure it's nice and yellow before we install it. Alright guys, so I just took off the rear bumper. I got all the bolts out, I just gotta remove it. I'm going to put the Liberty Walk flare right here so it can complete the whole kit. And then I'm gonna add the carbon fiber diffuser. Alright, so we ran into a little issue because the diffuser I purchased, it has an extra fin right here, So it's touching the Liberty Walk kit. We're gonna go ahead and trim it down so it can tuck in.
I wouldn't say do what I did.
So I always wanted to do this, seen them on a lot of cars, they do the pinstripe, but I wanted to do something sicker. I wanted to do my diffuser. See how it stands out like the Lambos or the exotic cars. Very nice. That's it for today. Day 2. We got pretty much the rear end on. We got the diffuser in, rear bumpers on, PDC sensors. The trunk is wrapped. That's all I cared about, to be honest. Black trunk is gone, so it looks good. We also got this done too. It's like a little trim. And then the chrome delete came out real nice. Looks way better. We didn't get to the hood. It had some defects, so we had to redo it, but we haven't got to it, so tomorrow we'll probably do it. But I did paint the scoops yellow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you still haven't. Hit that bell notification button. You know you want to be the first one to be notified, and we'll see you next time.